What is it?
I don't know. We'll check.
Open it. Open it. What is it?
I don't know.
Let's keep it aside. Oh, I think it's a box where you can keep your ice creams, right?
Yeah.
Oh, I think it will go here on the top of the cart.
Oh yeah, it does.
Okay, so keep it aside.